Welcome to my guide on the best blender for Indian cooking in the USA. With the help of my Indian friends, the Kitchen Hacks team has selected the best mixer grinders for Indian cooking in the USA. We've taken into account the power, blade strength, capacity, and durability. You'll find the links to each product in the description box below. Now, let's get into the rundown. If you're on the hunt for a mixer grinder to cater to your Indian cooking needs, the Boss Crown Mixer could just be a contender. Knowing your kitchen tools can make or break your cooking experience, especially when dealing with diverse and robust Indian recipes. The high-powered motor of this mixer grinder is designed to tackle heavy-duty grinding from fine turmeric powder to thick idli batter, a staple in Indian gastronomy. With this kind of muscle, you no longer have to worry about underperforming appliances when prepping for an authentic meal. Convenience and control are essential. With the Boss Crown Mixer, you gain the ability to adjust the grinding speed to match the consistency you need. Whether it's a smooth paste for masalas or a coarse texture for chutneys, the Pulse feature ensures you won't overdo it. The water drain system is also a thoughtful addition for easy cleaning, helping to maintain your mixer grinder for longer use. However, practicality is a double-edged sword. While this appliance can be a powerhouse in your kitchen, its lack of dishwasher compatibility means more hands-on time during cleanup. And although it's packed with features designed to extend its lifespan, including overload protection, some users have expressed concerns about its long-term reliability. Moving on to the third best mixer grinder for Indian cooking in the USA, we have the Vidiem Vstar Premium Mixer Grinder. If you're keen on authentic Indian cuisine, this Vidiem mixer might just be the kitchen ally you're looking for. When Indian recipes are on the menu, a robust mixer grinder becomes an essential tool in your kitchen. The Vidiem Vstar Premium stands out with its powerful 750-watt motor, ready to tackle the vigorous demands of grinding spices, making batter, and more. With multiple speed settings, including a pulse mode, you can achieve the right texture every time. The inclusion of 5 stainless steel jars in different sizes significantly expands its versatility. You can effortlessly switch from grinding a masala to preparing idli batter or juicing, all with one machine. Also, the self-locking jars with ergonomic handles add a convenient touch, ensuring stability and ease of use during operation. Maintenance and longevity also matter. That's where Vidiem's thoughtful design comes in. The Aria Cooltech motor with Quadra Flow technology ensures that the mixer doesn't overheat, extending its life. The 2-year motor warranty and 1-year product warranty serve as a reassuring safety net, highlighting the brand's confidence in its appliance. It's definitely one of the best blenders for Indian cooking that we tested. Now for the runner-up, and let me tell you, it was a close contest. The second best blender for Indian chutneys and Indian cooking in general is the Bajaj GX 3701 750-watt mixer grinder. If you're on the hunt for a blender that can keep up with the rigorous demands of Indian cooking, this Bajaj model could be your kitchen's new cornerstone. Indian cooking often requires a robust blender that can handle grinding hard spices and pastes. With that in mind, this Bajaj mixer grinder packs a powerful 750-watt motor, which should be more than sufficient for such tasks. Its multi-speed functionality allows you to adjust the speed according to the grinding requirements, giving you fine control over the consistency of the blends. For convenience, the product comes with 3 different jars, catering to a variety of cooking needs from liquidizing to dry and wet grinding. This could save you time in the kitchen as you prepare different aspects of your meals without the need for multiple appliances. Moreover, the added safety feature of buckle clips on the liquidizing jar means you can multitask in the kitchen without worrying about spillage. This hands-free operation can make your cooking process simpler and more efficient. On the flip side, the necessity of manual cleaning, as the jars are not dishwasher safe, might add to your kitchen chores. Another point to consider is that if you're not in India, You might require a voltage converter or stabilizer due to the powerful motor's higher operating temperature and voltage requirements, which could add to the initial cost and setup complexity. So, what is the best blender for Indian cooking in the USA? If you relish authentic Indian cuisine and want a capable mixer grinder to match your culinary enthusiasm, this Preethi Eco Plus mixer is the way to go. When indulging in Indian cooking, the importance of a robust mixer grinder cannot be overstated. Yours should be a reliable tool that grinds and blends spices and pastes to perfect consistency. The Preethi Eco Plus mixer is designed to assist in preparing the intricate features of Indian dishes, with multiple jars serving various functions, from dry grinding to making chutneys. A major advantage is the ergonomically designed handles, which facilitate easy and secure handling during operation. Coupled with a 550-watt motor capable of dealing with a variety of tasks, from mincing to whipping, your cooking prep is set to become more manageable. The high-grade nylon couplers also add to the grinder's longevity, which is designed to withstand regular use. However, it isn't without its downsides. This mixer will need a firm, steady hand if you're processing ingredients at high speeds or in large volumes. Otherwise, it may lead to some mess. And while it accomplishes its tasks effectively, keep in mind that it does so with a noticeable noise level. This is pretty common amongst heavy-duty grinders, but worth mentioning if a peaceful kitchen environment is crucial to you. Overall, this is the best mixer grinder for Indian cooking that you can buy in the USA. So now that you know the best blenders for Indian cooking, it's time to pick the mixer grinder that's right for you. Again, you'll find the links to the latest prices for each of these products in the description box below. I really appreciate you watching today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this Indian blender video in any way helpful. Have a great day.